Welcome to a tutorial of Lag Growth Machine. Lag Growth Machine is a multi-channel cold outreach tool that covers LinkedIn, email, calls, and Twitter. And today I'll show you how to use certain features of Lag Growth Machine like lead generation and cold calling. I'll show you the pricing and alternative. So first we want to sign up. Click 14-day free trial. And you'll see something that looks like this. Now, if you do get an onboarding, just follow on the onboarding. But if you do not get it, what you'll want to start off with is leads. You want to generate leads, and we do that by going to LGM's database. In the LGM's database, you'll be able to find lookalike leads based on your ideal client's profile or your existing clients. So for example, let's say Primeforge.ai. And we've got 308 results that are similar to this company. Click find leads. Now it will find actual leads, humans from these companies. So let's say CEO, CMO, sales manager, founder, co-founder, location, United States, right? View results. And now it will get us the leads, the exact leads we want to reach out to, right? Based on our ideal client, the example we put in, which was Primeforge, it found similar companies and got us leads now. We have Frank, Costas, and a lot more results, right? Click import leads, name your audience, first audience. Then you'll be able to enrich the data because of course you need emails, right? You need other information to personalize the messages, or you can skip that. Maybe you just need information about them, right? Or just their emails. You can do that. Click rate. Here we go. We have leads important. 67% of them or 50% have a LinkedIn profile. Almost 40% of them got the email. The enriching is still going, so these will change. But once you get the leads, you can of course import your own, by the way, from LinkedIn, from a CSV, from a CRM. But once you get your leads, what you'll want to do is connect your identities. Basically, accounts you'll be using to send the outreach with. So you have your LinkedIn, your mailboxes, email mailboxes, right? So you connect them right here simply by signing up, and that's it. And once you do that, you'll be able to create your first campaign. Go to the campaigns tab, click create new campaign, and you'll be able to select a template that fits your needs, right? So let's go with the first one, create campaign. And as you can see, you have all of those steps right here. You can send a connection request, add a text in the connection request if you want. If it's accepted, then you send a DM, right? Then you have a follow-up. This one was the follow-up. This one is the first DM. If, for example, they do not accept a connection request, you can send them an email. Of course, everything can be customized with custom variables, like first name, last name, whatever it is, right? And another thing is what you can do is you heard I talked about calls. So what you can do is of course add more tasks. So for example, in this framework, you can add a thing called task. As you can see here, it says call. So whenever the automation gets to that point, you'll get a notification in your task bar to actually call the user, right? And the same goes with other tasks. You have all of these actions that you can do. Visit profile, send a message, follow, like a post, right? Tweet, retweet, whatever it is. Wait, add to a audience. You can then change the settings to automatically resume, exit sequence when lead replies, auto enrich leads. And then of course you can launch the campaign. Now, if you did start downboarding yourself, everything will actually be set up. As you can see, the messages here, the Lag Growth Machine will scrape information about your company. You'll approve it and you'll have all of those emails drafted, all of the follow-ups drafted, so you don't have to do anything. You'll see all of the conversations in the inbox tab and all of the reports in the reports tab. You'll see how many people you reached out to, how many replied, how many did not reply, how many of them you won, right? Simple as that. Now for the pricing, it starts off at $60 per identity per month, meaning for one sender profile, euros or $60. You'll be able to enrich 250 leads using waterfall enrichment. Now, if you do not like being restricted to one profile and want a platform with unlimited LinkedIn outreach and mailboxes, then I suggest you take a look at Salesforge. Salesforge is a multi-channel, unlimited tool that will help you dominate cold outreach with no limitations. Now, I made a full video showcasing how to use Salesforge right here. So if you want to learn more, check it out. It was me, Sam. Have a good one and peace.